Hello, hello. Hey guys, welcome back to the episode 7 of Analyzing Euro USD. But this time we are live, so it's gonna be different. So let's hop onto the charts and let's see what's happening. Um, okay, so we do the 1 hour sell side and buy side liquidity over here. And on 5 minutes time frame, we can see there are relative equal highs. Wait, let me just correct it. And if we see on 1 minute time frame, there's equal lows right over here, and we already took the liquidity of the sell side right over here. And now I'm just gonna wait for the entry to buy on 5 minutes time frame, and we just gotta wait for our fair value gap to form, and we can plan the buy side trade. So as you can see, right over this candle broke the lows of this 1 hour candle, and it closed back right over in the range. That means it was a liquidity grab, and probably there could be a wick fill, and we can see a market structure change or a reversal. Or it's possible that we can see a continuation. So yesterday's daily candle tapped into a good zone, that was a fair value gap zone, and it closed above the previous day's candle. But there's a lot of imbalance on the sell side which needs to be covered right now. Let's see if we see some bearish outlook. Or so it continues down, it can continue till like 50% level of the fib, and then we can see a reversal right from here. But if it closes here, we can see a bearish moment because it will fill the fair value gap of 1 hour, which is not supposed to be, and it will fail then. But right now it's pretty much consolidation on 1 hour. Let's see on 30 minutes. Yeah, this zone is not a proper trend. Let's see. This small fair value gap right over here, it's giving the support. It's acting as a support for these candles. Let's see if we can break this. So let's see if we can get any setup. So we're gonna take till 12:30 and we have half an hour left. So most probably in 11:30 to 12:30, it's called a kill zone, and the most of the moves come in this zone. So that's why we plan the trade in this hour. And whenever we see the fair value gap within this zone, it's the most important fair value gap. Rest, I mean, there's a lot of fair value gaps you can see in the market forming, but especially in the kill zone, there are high probability setups. So that's why we take it. And yeah, so I'm starting the challenge to clear the pro firm right now. And yesterday, like day before yesterday, I took a trade that was a win, and I took a half percent risk on that, so my account was half percent up. But yesterday, uh, I took a SL that was 1%, so right now I'm minus half a percent down on my funded account challenge phase. So let's see if we can clear it. It's one step challenge and it's a small quantity 5k. So let's see if we can clear that together, and I'm gonna give you updates every day how much I have grew my account. And yeah, and also I'm gonna put the setups either on my Discord, or I can put the setups on my Instagram stories if you check. Right now, all we can see is bearish trend movement. Let's see if we can get any reversal. For me, it's easy to trade the reversal rather than continuation. I don't know, it's just my style of trading, maybe. So let's see if it takes the 1 minute equal lows right over here. Okay. If we see any bullish fair value gap, we're gonna take the entry on that. Let's see. But we need to have a little liquidity grab first because it made again relative equal lows. So let's see if we can grab that on smaller time frame maybe. But mostly it plays out. What I have back tested, according to that, whatever the fair value gap is formed whenever it takes the lows and highs of 1 hour candle, it just gives us our TP. So that's the strategy we are following right now. And actually, it gave like 2 or 3 SLs till now. But we're gonna test it on a funded so we can exactly know that where we are lacking and can improve that. So I must be in drawdown of 0.5%. So I'm gonna risk on this 0.5% because I'm already in drawdown, and it's better to half your risk whenever you're in drawdown and double your risk whenever you are in profits. It's the best strategy. Okay, so I think most probably we'll get fair value gap over here. Let's see. So the new fair value gap is formed right over here. I'm gonna change my entry to here. Okay, so I'm gonna put my buy limit. Okay, let's see if we tap our entry. It's right over here. So it's a no wick candle. So whenever there's a no wick candles, most probably the candle comes and flips, and again it gives back the move because it compensate for this space right over here. So whenever you see a no wick candle, either the next candle will form a wick for it, because it's like 90% data that every no wick candle will form a wick and flips and gives us the move in the direction that the market is moving. So we are expecting it to be a bullish right now. But all I can see is it's again and again tapping up. Okay, there's a new fair value gap right now. I don't think so. I would be moving my entry right over here because then it would be too much, because it will come down most probably to fill the balance and balances. Let's see. Okay, it should come most probably. It breaks the range. Right now it's 15-minute time frame or 5 minutes time frame. It's still in the bearish fair value gap. If it closes above right over here, uh, then we can expect that it will surely be going up, because then this will be filled. Whenever the fair value gap is being filled and closed above, it's considered to be a failure of the fair value gap. So it consider that we will no more be going down. Okay, still let's see. I was thinking to take an entry on 1 minute time frame, but it's better to still wait for the 5 minutes. Let's see. So if we get the entry till 12:30, we're still gonna wait, and after that, let's see. We're gonna end the live soon. Then it's just 1 hour time period, 1 hour time frame that you have to see and rest. So one account is about to be flipping. All I can see is that. Hmm, I think that today we won't be getting any setup, but let's hope for the best. So yesterday I planned the trip right over here from I did a long ride over here with 20 FPS. And I waited for a long period of time. There was a lot of consolidation happened. And okay, so I should have closed the trade before the news, but there was a CPI yesterday and it took my SL and just pumped out. That's what happened with me yesterday, right over here. So I should have closed the trade before. And there was a very less volume before, so okay, so it filled the fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Okay, perfect. Let's see if I can get a good MVG. I hope that it doesn't fill. Let's see. 3 minutes left. I think so. We'll get the entry right over here. It's possible. See, it's going to take the liquidity right over there. And if it missed the entry, we won't be getting then. It should come down after that. Okay. Just 43 seconds. Should I place the entry? Okay, I'm gonna place the buy limit right over here. Okay, 20. Fine. So we have enough space for the SL as well. Because if it comes down, it can take the liquidity grab and maybe it can go up again. For the TP, it's gonna be right over here. So it's the average TP and SL. Basically, when I backtested, so it was the average number of the TP and SL that I got that the market moves before reversing. So that's why I choose it to be 20. I mean, the SL it's not average 20, but I did that because of 1:1, so we get the proper win ratio. Understood what? Okay, so we have just 10 minutes left, and I'm gonna leave this position like that. If it if it executes, I'm gonna tell you guys. If it didn't, then probably we are not in the setup then. And because it's already a little bit extended, so we can't take a risk that we're gonna enter above right over here, because the high probability is always the first presented FVG that we see on 5 minutes time frame. And if we do the New York session, the first presented FVG on the 1 minute time frame, that is around 9:30. That is the most important fair value gap. So just keep in mind that what are the probabilities of the entries that we're doing. It's making the another one. Okay, so it did the, it grabbed the liquidity and maybe closing down. Okay, I think so. My entry has been executed right over here. I'm gonna put my SL. That would be 1.7118, and my TP would be 1.753. Or okay, perfect. So either it's TP or either it's SL. We're gonna take it anyways. So this is our position for today, and yeah, that's all. Rest, I'm gonna update you guys even if it's deeper SL on my Instagram stories, and soon I'm gonna make a Discord channel. Maybe then I'm gonna give you whole analysis and the videos upcoming on my Discord channel. Make sure that you are tuned and for the updates, and subscribe my channel, follow my Instagram to know more. So far, we are okay. 6 pips. We need 20 pips to get our TP hit. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end the stream and see you guys in the next episode on the next live stream that will be happening tomorrow 11:30. Make sure you join it and let's grow together, let's trade together. Thank you.